How's it going? It's Jonathan Miller here. Let's go for a drive. It's a balmy 20 degrees here in Philadelphia. The sun's shining, the sky's blue, and we're going for a drive in the 2015 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mark 7 and the 2016 Golf R Mark 7. This is the 2016 Volkswagen Golf R Mark 7, pictured here in lapis blue metallic over black leather. This car is equipped with a DSG dual clutch transmission and 4-motion all-wheel drive. The Golf R has a 2-liter 4-cylinder motor making 290 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. It will do 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. The Golf R separates itself from the GTI with its 4-motion all-wheel drive system. When operating under a relatively low load or when coasting, the front wheels are driven and the rear wheels are decoupled, helping to save fuel. However, the rear wheels can be engaged in fractions of a second when necessary via the Haldex coupling, which is activated by an electro-hydraulic oil pump. The amount of pressure applied to the clutch plates can be used to continuously vary the amount of torque going between the front and rear wheels, up to a maximum of 50% at the rear axle. This car is equipped with Michelin Pilot Alpine snow tires in the size 225/40/18. Next up is the 2015 Volkswagen GTI Mark 7, pictured here in reflex silver over black leather. This car is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission with power routed to the front wheels. The 2015 GTI has a 2-liter 4-cylinder motor making 210 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. It will do 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds. The GTIs have a red line running through the headlights and red trim lights on the interior, while the Golf Rs are blue. This car is running the Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06 tires in the stock 225/40/18 size. So we've modded these two Volkswagens here. We've wrapped them in what I like to call winter assault. It's going to be the new fashion craze in the car world. Looks a little bit better on the blue Golf R than it does on the silver GTI.